Today we'll be installing Torklift camper tie-downs, part number F-2034, on a Ford F-150 Lightning. These tie-downs bolt directly to your truck's frame, creating the strongest mounting option possible for your slide camper. Made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these tie-downs are powder-coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button below for any future installs. To start, prepare 2 bolt fishers with a 1.5-inch bolt, internal star washer, and 1 SAE flat washer. Thread the bolt fishers onto the bolts and use the straight end to fish the bolt through the 2 side frame holes. Run the straight ends of the bolt fishers through the corresponding holes in the side tie-down backplate. Carefully remove the bolt fishers one by one and secure the bolts with 1 flat washer, 1 split lock washer, and 1 hex nut. Take 2.5-inch by 1.5-inch bolts with flat washer and insert through the wing and bottom holes in tie-down. Secure each bolt with a flat washer, lock washer, and a hex nut. Torque all 1/2-inch hardware to 64 foot-pounds. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Note for the driver's side lower mount extension hole. If there is not already a hole there, you will need to drill a hole using the tie-down as a pilot guide. Secure using the same hardware as the previous holes. Insert one of the tie-down inserts into each tie-down receiver. Pin the inserts in place with a 2.25-inch bail pin. Either hole in the insert can be used. We recommend at least 1 inch of clearance between the body and turnbuckles when set up. The installation of your Torklift F-2034 tie-downs is now complete. This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.